Let's talk about what happens when you need answers from your data. You open Excel, you set rows and columns, you think, okay, I just need a quick shot. 2 hours later, you're still formatting cells, writing formulas and Googling how to make a pivot table that doesn't look broken. Or maybe you are in Google Sheets, clicking through minutes trying to remember which pattern makes the chart you actually want. Or in Power BI, sure, it's powerful if you have 3 days to watch tutorials and a degree in patience. Or in Tableau, beautiful dashboards once you survive the learning curve. And don't even get me started on trying to convert files, run forecasts, or generate reports. Every tool promises easy data analysis, but they all leave you doing the heavy lifting. This is why Syla exists. Because you shouldn't need a tutorial to see your numbers, you shouldn't need formulas to understand trends, you shouldn't need hours to get what should take seconds. Here is what Syla actually does. You upload your data in a CSV or Excel file and you get instant charts. Not after you configure access and pick colors. Instantly, the second your file uploads, you are looking at visualization that actually makes sense. You get instant forecasts. You want to know where your sales are headed, your patient numbers, your inventory, done. No models to build, no settings to tweak. And you get instant reports, the kind you actually show your boss, your team, or your investors, clean, professional, and ready to go. And you get instant file conversions. If you need that Excel file as a CSV that makes data formatted properly, you just need to click and it's done. Zero setup, zero technical knowledge required. You don't configure Syla, you don't train it, you don't spend your afternoon fighting with it, you just use it. It's the tool that finally understands you came here for answers and not for homework. Whether you are tracking business metrics, analyzing research data, managing healthcare record, or just trying to make sense of a spreadsheet someone sent you, Syla gets it done. No certification needed, no IT department required, just Syla and it's all done. In 2025, you don't need hours to do all this data analysis because that's ridiculous. You need Syla